Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. My name is Nita Yurasuti. I'm 27 years old. I am married. I got one girl, children, sis girl. I'm experienced in Singapore. I work 2 years. My job is I take care baby. I'm cleaning and also cooking.
How old is the baby?
Newborn.
Newborn baby.
Yes.
Okay, so are you scared of dog?
Yes, I also take care of dog.
Are you scared or not?
No.
Not scared of dog.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you can take care of dog. Okay. You eat pork?
I'm not eat dog.
Okay. So you want to come to Hong Kong. What do you like to take care? Do you like to take care of baby or
Yes.
children?
Yes, I like take care of the children.
Children. Okay. So if employer got a baby and children, will you accept the job?
Yes.
Okay. So if employer cannot give you holiday on Sunday, they will arrange another day. Is it okay for you?
Okay.
So if employer got a dog, is it also okay for you?
Okay.
So can you cook Chinese food?
Little bit.
Little bit. What is your employer in Singapore?
Chinese.
Chinese.
Yes.
So okay. So can you learn Cantonese?
Can.
Can, huh? Okay. Thank you.
Bye bye.